cheek or the side of his mouth that he might start sucking.
The nurses just kind of worked the
yeah, the nurses just
bottle
kind of swirled the nipple a little bit too.
He's got chubby cheeks. Or
He does have chubby cheeks.
Look like chubby cheeks. Because of his little eye.
Here, Brandon.
He's got his hands in the way.
I know. I got one little drip drop.
Grandma to the rescue.
Yeah, you get in now.
When was that baby born?
Today sometime.
There.
Oh, sorry, Ella.
Okay. You're alright. You're alright. Yes, sir. You're just having just a little bit of trouble. Okay. Put his hand up.
Evan, you want to stand over there by him? I can get you guys in with her in the video. Just bend down on one knee there by. There you go.
There you go, my dear.
If you just like get down on one knee, you'll be right there by his feet.
I think it's
Evan,
just gonna
reach right down and touch his toes.
to your other cousins.
Alarm pause. Alarm pause time.
Oh, what's the trouble? I know it. So much. You need to burp?
You might have a bubble or something.
Are you trying to do a little baby burpsy? I'm not a big fan of this rocking chair. I know it. You're just so little. Do you have a burpee in there? Is there a little baby burpsy? That's okay. You're going back to sleep, aren't you?